The Kenya police force has arrested me 4 times illegally. What I'm doing it for Kenyans, and I'm not doing it for me. Things are bad in this country to a point that even civil servants have not been paid. Things are bad in this country to a point that children are going without food up to 4 days in a row. Things are bad in this country. At the same time, electricity is high. There is no hunger. There is no help. Petrol is high. Things are bad in this country. And the Kenya police have arrested me 4 times illegally. My demonstrations have been peaceful and I've always done them alone. No property has ever been destroyed during my demonstration. Nobody has ever been injured during my demonstration. No business has ever been closed during my demonstration. I have even notified the police, but they've still gone ahead and arrested me 4 times illegally. And they take up to 9, sometimes 11 hours, not knowing what to charge me with, because there's usually none. You are breaking the law because according to the constitution of this nation, I have the right, like any other Kenyan, to picket, to demonstrate, and to associate. But you have infringed on my rights. You have arrested me 4 times illegally. You have tortured me psychologically. And have put my life on the line for this nation. You are killing me, a man who is ready to lose his life for this nation. Arrest me one more time, and you will regret it. You may think you are powerful because you are the government. Erick Omondi, you may think I am an individual and you have the structures and the systems. Arrest me one more time. Put your hands on my body one more time. Put your hands in my hands one more time. And you will regret it today. But tomorrow, my God is my God. You are not stronger than my God. You have tortured me psychologically. You have arrested me 4 times. Even when I've notified you, arrest me one more time. I dare you, and the thing I will do, I swear by the name of this God. I swear by the name of God. Put your hands one more time on me. Arrest me one more time. It is you I'm fighting for. You have not even been paid for your salaries. I'm fighting for your children. I am a Kenyan. Nobody has ever been affected by my demonstrations. You arrested me every single time, and I've never spoken about it. I did call me with your name. Put your hands on me one more time. If you think this is comedy or a threat, I dare you. Arrest me one more time if you're man. Arrest me one more time. This country is going to the dogs, and the government has the power to do something. And I'm giving my voice to your children. I'm giving for your future, and you keep torturing me psychologically. Recently you arrested me. It took you 12 hours to charge me because you had nothing to charge me with. Put your hands on me one more time. I swear by the name of God, the thing I will do, this country will never be the same again. This country will never be the same again. Put your hands on me. I dare you. I swear. Try me and see. We will rescue this country by force because the government can do something and they're not doing anything about it. They're playing with our lives. They're politicking with our children. They're playing with our future. Kenya police force, because you're no longer on service. You laugh every time you arrest me. It has become a charade. You enjoy it when you arrest me. I don't know where you get the orders from. Touch me one more time. You are breaking the law, and we will break it together. You are dealing with a man who has already decided to put his life on the line for this nation. Put your hands on me one more time. Put your hands on me one more time. I swear to the living God, what I will do will change the course of this nation. If you arrest me, this is the last time I'll be talking to Kenyans. If you put your hands on me, if you put your cuffs on my fingers, do not release me. Because I swear to God, the living God, you're not more powerful than the God that we serve with your machinery and your government. million Kenyans are laughing. Every time they arrest me, they're enjoying it. What have I ever done that has destroyed anybody's business? I've talked to my mother. I've talked to my family. And I've let them know that if you arrest me one more time, they should not be surprised.